On this second Sunday of Easter, there are a number of things that I could talk about and reflect on in this daily message. This is the Sunday when we hear the gospel about the doubting Thomas. When Thomas wasn't present the first time the Lord appeared to them, and he says, I won't believe unless I can put my finger into the holes in his hand and my hand into his side. And then Jesus reappears and says, okay, Thomas, go ahead. And Thomas now believes, and he says, my Lord and my God. And then Jesus tells him, blessed are they who have not seen and yet have believed. That's normally what we reflect on the second Sunday of Easter. This is also Divine Mercy Sunday. And so I could reflect on the God who is mercy, and we could offer thanks to the God who is mercy, and we should do that also. But I want to reflect on today's first reading, which comes from the Acts of the Apostles, in which it says that the community of believers was of one heart and mind, and no one claimed that any of his possessions was his own, but they had everything in common. With great power, the apostles bore witness to the resurrection of the Lord Jesus, and great favor was accorded them all. There was no needy person among them. For those who owned property or houses would sell them, bring the proceeds of the sale, and put them at the feet of the apostles. And they were distributed to each according to need. When the new Christians, the followers of Jesus, did this, they were probably imitating what the followers of Jesus had done when he was still with them. Theirs was, I'm sure, a community in which everyone shared what they had, and no one was in need. And that's our call as well, as Christians, to create a community in which everyone has what they need and all share what we have. This is the way we can live out our mission as Christians, as Easter people, by being people of community and by being people of justice.